Bad head.
It's horrible.
It's not quite the right size, these ones.
They're so huge. They feed them to kois, don't they? The fish eat them, you know? The big kois. Koi fish eat it. That's horrible. That looks yucky. So gross looking at long thing.
Yeah, well,
There's one more.
yeah.
Where are people going to find this? You tell people to buy this for their dog.
For you.
There was a huge one here.
How are they going to buy this? Cooper's going to eat this.
Oh, on YouTube. Interesting.
Who's going to buy this? Those people can't buy this.
Yeah, they can find it somewhere.
Those people can't, those
No,
two.
they're not going, but other people on the internet might wonder how you chop them. This is a good method.
Okay.
Too long this video now.
That's it.